Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2016 Dodge Dart with a 2.0 motor. We're doing a coolant temperature sensor. And this is where it's located at, right here, underneath this connector. Very, very tight spot to get to it. It's a 19 millimeter for the sensor, but any socket that I have does not fit over the sensor connector. So what I ended up doing was snapping off the end of the connector, and that way I could get a socket. But I could get a socket over it, a 19 millimeter deep well socket, and then able to spin it off. A 3/8 would be a little better because of where it's located at, but I didn't have a 3/8 19 millimeter deep on hand. So I took out the PCM, 310s, 1, 2, 3, and I just moved it out of the way. This little radiator hose I took off, so I'm going to put some worm gear clamps on here. Bad idea, but not my car. So moved it out of the way so I could gain access with a 19 millimeter stubby wrench in order to get it off the rest of the way, and also to install it, because once I snapped off that connector to the old one, the new one wasn't going to go back on. So I was able to use a 19 millimeter stubby wrench in order to spin the new one on. I also took this little hose up and out of the way, give me plenty of room so where I could go and do some swinging on it. Also drain the coolant at the same time. The drain plug is down here on the driver's side down at the bottom, so real easy to get to. This had a issue within the first 30 seconds of the car driving. Even if it hadn't been running, it instantly goes to hot. So it was having a coolant temperature sensor voltage high code, and it would just instantly go to it and shut the car off, restart it up, everything worked just fine. So we had a faulty sensor giving bad information to the computer. But that is what we currently did. Stay tuned, there'll be more on this car here shortly. Thank you.